Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm back with another what I eat in a day video. So make sure to subscribe if you like this video and let's go make some breakfast. For breakfast, I have some So Delicious coconut yogurt. I got the plain one because I thought it was unsweetened, but it's actually still sweetened. So, and it's made with coconut milk. And then I put some blueberries and strawberries. I tried to do a cute little design. I'm going to cut some lettuce for my taco. If you want to see a garden tour, I just filmed one. It was the last video I posted, so it will be in the description box below. And I'm also going to cut some cilantro. For lunch, I had a burrito, and in that was quinoa, some butternut squash, which I've had butternut squash before, but I've never made it before. And then also some refried beans, vegan cheese, tomatoes, salsa, and lettuce. And it was in a chickpea tortilla, which they are so good. I totally recommend them. For dinner, I had some frozen pizza, and so I just heated it up, and then I added on some fresh basil from my garden, and then also some sun-dried tomatoes, and then as a side I had some celery. Alright guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe because I make a ton of these types of videos along with recipe videos and other things. So I will see you in another video. Bye!